Z. E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for hippo. Come along and sing with me, ABC animals from A to Z. I is for iguana, J is for jellyfish, K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for owl, P is for penguin. Come along and sing with me, ABC animals from A to Z. Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for snake, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for vulture, W is for whale, X is for x-ray fish, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra.